Hi, I will cut the cow's eye. This is a specimen from Carolina Perfect Solution. And first, let's cut and take the specimen out of the bag. I use my scissor for it. Okay. Let's put that specimen back here. Now let's look outside and see what we have. You see the outer membrane, you see the outer tunic of the eye. This is the sclera. That should be the cornea. So it's the outer tunic, cornea, and sclera. As you see the muscles of the eyeball all over, those are the muscles. We have 6 eye muscles that move the eyeball. And let's see, you see the fat tissue to insulate and protect and cushion the eyeball. But you see here a bulge, right? This is the optic nerve, cranial nerve 2, optic nerve. Now we may cut the excessive fat tissue. Okay. Now we need to dissect the cow's eye. When we dissect, it's important to have to hold. You should not hold. You should make sure you're holding tight and right way. So that will go to your palm, and you will hold just like that. You can hold with the, both hands, both fingers in the 2 sides, and we need to cut, right? But when you cut, aqueous humor can come, so make sure you are careful. And my scalpel is not so sharp, and make sure it is sharp. Let's use the scissor instead. Normally we need to use the scalpel, but it's very, very thick. Let's see again. Yeah, you heard the sound? It's very thick. Let's go. Okay, and now you see the juice is coming out, right? You see the watery juice? That is aqueous humor. It's found in the anterior cavity. Let's go all over to see it. Now you see there is a gellose material coming out. That is the vitreous humor. Let's see. If we can open completely, you will be able to see the structures much better. Okay. Can you guess what is this? That's the lens. Normally it should be clear. It's blurred because it's cows is dead, obviously, right? Okay, that is the gellose, you see? Vitreous humor. That is aqueous humor. Now, when you look here, that is your retina. See? And retina, you see the attachment? Because it's attached here, well, becomes optic nerve. This place we were calling blind spot. And now you see this beautiful bluish turquoise layer is tapetum, and it's for the nocturnal animals. They can see much better than we do in the nighttime. This black portion, black color, it is the choroid of the eye. And we said this is the lens, and we said this is the vitreous humor, this is the aqueous humor. And again, when we take the choroid off, you see the sclera here. this, the sclera. And this is the cornea.